Today, I brought you guys another unboxing video. Can you guys what this is? Of course, it's really hard to guess. I'll open the box. Yes, this is the first official MooMoo goods item. This box, I have been waiting for this box for like 2 weeks and it finally came. So there's this big orange box and a small black paper cartridge. Let's see. Take the box out of the way. So as you can see, the black small for the first MooMoo box, black, and the big orange box. So I got rid of the plastic covers, and let's see. Let's start with the small black box first. It says the first official MooMoo on the outside. Let's open it. Oh, there are 3 stuff. And there's 4 stickers. I heard from the official MooMoo YouTube video that each member drew their own drawings or emojis, and they printed it right away. So the first one is Solar's, Moonbears, Queens, and Pasas. You can see each member's characteristics from the emojis or drawings that they drew. He mostly drew a picture, and I heard her dream was once to be an artist, and I think she draws really well. And here's the card, the first MooMoo card. It says some stuff about from when to when the card is authorized, and I'll take the card out so you can see. Orange, it looks like hotel key. Here's the back. I'm covering my name so you can understand. And the last thing is a book. I heard there are pictures just for the guys who apply for this, so let's keep it a secret for you guys. So I won't be revealing the pictures in this pamphlet in this video. Okay, let's get rid of this, and let's get ready to open the big orange box. When I first watched the video, I thought it won't be that big, but as I received it, as you guys can see too, it's really thick. It says MooMoo on the side. MooMoo. Different members of MooMoo. And here there's RVW, Rainbow Ridge Entertainment, Mamamoo's Entertainment. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's exactly the same. If you guys look, see, there's the water bottle that Solar hit through the table and it didn't break. Here, Solar sign, and sign, Moonbear sign, and Pasa sign. It's actually really nice. I should really take it to school or something. This is the puzzle. It's hard to take it out. Yes. This is a 500-piece jigsaw puzzle. And it's quite big too. This is is entertainment, 500 pieces. Mamamoo. Okay, and there's the bottle explanation. Yes, and I'm gonna use this. So this is it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.